Good morning, welcome to our vlog. So today I'm going to show you a cute little tiny baby quails. Just got hatched last week. And these are all, the white ones. And they're a little terrified right now. I have made this shade for them, so if they want to go into the shade, they want to be a little hotter, so they could go there. And also put a thermometer here. Temperature we have is, I don't know if you're able to see, it's 35 or something. And here we have a heat lamp that is here to keep them warm. They need a lot of warmth in the first few weeks of their life. So here is the shade. They are in the corner right now. And mind you, they do jump high. They jump and they get out of the box most of the times. This is their food, like it's a powdered form, and that's the water. This is from where they drink. Having fun together. They turn out to be big white quails, happy and healthy. And for the update of our bigger quails, we have these ones. Right, this is our quail. This is our female. This is our male. Hey, buddy. This is our female. She loves a lot of veggies. And these are another two lonely males. We hatched them 2 months, like 40 days ago. And this little girl has just started laying eggs like a week ago. In fact, 5 days ago. So she is just laying a lot of eggs, daily one. And all of these males try to mate with her, so I have just kept them separately so that she doesn't get overwhelmed with a lot of males. I don't want her to be stressed out. She would stop laying them. So the eggs that I was talking about are here. These are the eggs which are female quail laid. Like every day she's laying. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Like 5 days ago she started laying eggs for the first time in her life. She's just 40 days old and she's doing well. So I have got some lettuce pieces and I'm going to give it to her right now, and surprisingly she loves them. She will eat them from my hand. Oh, he's trying to mate with her right now. Come on, buddy. She wants to eat. She wants to eat. Come on. It's not the time. Oh my God. Come on, let her eat. Let her eat. You're so aggressive. Come on, come on, come on. Come here. Eat. Yay. Only the female eats. I don't know why. The male doesn't seem to be interested in the lettuce. Sometimes he does. Oh, today he's eating. We both are eating today. Love it. Let's open it up a little bit so you can have a good look on quails. This is eating. I'll bother eating today. And I'll leave it here, buddy. You eat it whenever you want to. These guys are always fighting. They eat this food. Hello, male buddies. They're fighting as usual. They're fighting. So this is it from our vlog today. Have a good day. Bye.